Hi there. Today we're going to talk about inbound digital marketing, what it means, and what kind of channels or strategies does it involve. So let's start with the definition of inbound digital marketing. It's a marketing model where the sales performance relies on the client taking the first initiative to find and purchase a product. And this is achieved by attracting customers through creating valuable content and experiences tailored to them. Inbound marketing is opposed to outbound marketing, or the traditional marketing approach, where brands are usually the ones initiating the conversation and reaching out to their audience. But when brands start the communication, they reach out with content that the audience is not necessarily looking for. So, for example, if you're watching a YouTube video and a YouTube ad shows up, or if you're watching TV and a TV commercial shows up, you didn't exactly ask for this kind of communication or this kind of content. Inbound marketing, on the other hand, creates experiences tailored for the audience and forms those connections that the audience is looking for to solve problems that the audience already have. Inbound marketing relies on the customer initiating the search, and for that reason, search engine optimization and content marketing are both a huge part of inbound marketing. These are, in fact, the main channels that companies which adopt inbound marketing use. Brands that adopt inbound marketing usually aim to build a content hub, and that's because they want to have the highest authority on the keywords related to their products and services. They also want the search engine to associate them as the best resource for relevant information. And that's why some brands, like SAP, create a separate sub-brand with its own name, its own visual identity, and in a way, this becomes an online magazine that they own. Other brands, like HubSpot, the company that truly made inbound marketing popular, created an academy or a course hub for learners where they offer courses that educate people about related topics. Besides SEO and content marketing, these companies that adopt inbound marketing usually use email marketing and social media to promote their content and distribute it to a wider audience. These two channels are not exactly inbound channels, but they do serve as a way to improve their SEO and establish themselves as experts on the subject matter. Now, according to HubSpot, inbound digital marketing uses 3 techniques to work: attract, engage, and delight customers throughout their journey from strangers to brand advocates. Starting with the first step, which is attract. And to attract means attracting the right people with valuable content and conversations that establish your brand as a trusted advisor with whom they want to engage. To attract your audience, you start by creating and publishing content that provides value. Examples of content includes articles, videos, podcasts, interviews, or maybe webinars. And on top of that, you can also use promotional reviews like customer testimonials and case studies. Content like guides on how to use your products, information about how your solution can solve the audience challenges, and details about promotions or discounts is also important to attract. The second step, which is to engage, means that you should be engaging through presenting insights and solutions